Hey, so today I'm going to try to show you how to transfer a Facebook business location page to a new owner. Facebook, Meta, whatever you want to call it, they've become so cumbersome, so difficult, so annoying. Let me try to walk you through this process. So, first thing you want to do, you can ask Google or ChatGPT, get the answer from them, and try to walk through these steps, but it's not as straightforward as that. My name's Mac. I run a marketing agency. I also own multiple cell phone repair stores. I've been doing this for 10 plus years. So I'm recently selling my stores and I need to transfer ownership. So let me try to walk you through the process here. So you need to log into your Facebook account and you need to assign the new owner as admin within full control of the page settings. They need to accept the invite, confirm, and then you can remove yourself to complete the transfer. So first thing, log into Facebook. In the top right, you can see all profiles and switch to your business location page. So let's try to go through this together. When you log into Facebook, you might have to do a two-factor authentication. So let's say I'm logged into my personal profile right now. Top right, like they said, you can do the drop down here, see all profiles. Now I have multiple locations. This is the Center City location I just sold. Obviously I'm the admin and manager on many profiles. So you're gonna click that profile. It's gonna switch you into this Facebook page account. All right, so let's follow the prompts here. See all profiles, access page settings. Click your profile picture, settings, and privacy. All right, so we've got all this on the left-hand side, but we want to go on the right here and click settings and privacy, and then click settings. So settings and privacy, then click settings. Navigate to page access in the left menu, select page setup and page access. All right, so a lot of stuff in here. I'm gonna move myself over here. So I believe they want us to go to, because there's no access and user management, so you go to page setup. So if you go to page details, there's nothing here. So let's switch over to page details. This is where you think you'd be able to add them. So go to settings. There's no user management here. No user management. It used to be in this section. You could go to edit. You used to be able to add a user under the page details, page settings. Let's try edit. Nope. Let's try settings. No, it just brings you back here. So we're going to go to, because none of this other stuff works, so we're going to go to page setup. Then it should give you the settings drop down. And this is where you can see page access right here. No other tools about adding a user. Data sharing. Okay, so let's try page access. Now, where do you see add someone? So I'm going to remove myself here. People with full control, that's me. Partial access, people not in your business profile. From parent page, what's that even mean? Okay. Can't even add them here. So how do I go to the parent page and add or remove somebody? So I can't even click settings. Okay. No. So this is the parent master page for all the locations. So let's try to switch to managing it. This is confusing, huh? All right, so we'll go over here. Let's try settings here. Let's try to go to page setup. So I still don't see users. Okay, let's go to page access. Okay, so it really wants you to give access. Let's remove his access, sorry. So it looks like you can at least remove people here. Watch it double authenticate again. Nope. All right. All right, whatever. You have removed. Okay. People with full control. So we want this person to have full control. So we might as well stay over here. Make sure you're logged into the actual location page just in case. Center City. Let's click that because it switched us in the top right. Okay. Yes. people with full control. So what's this mean? It's done through the business portfolio within the Meta Business Suite, which is owned by Momentum Digital, okay, which is my agency. Okay, you give access. All right, so that's me. So let's go to manage here. Now it's going to take us out to a whole different URL, a whole different site, which is Meta Business Suite, so business.facebook.com. So you've got to have access, admin access to the business suite and business manager here, where you can claim various accounts and profiles. And then you've got the little summary here, people. So you can search people here. So whoever you want to add, they need to be given access, so you can assign access, but they already need to be added to your Meta Business Suite. So you can invite them here to your Meta Business Suite and then assign them, if they have access to your suite, to specific pages. If you're transferring access, you probably need to transfer ads access, page access, Instagram access, whatever's created under that one location. Let's remove him. So instead of assigning access, let's assign a partner. Are there any partners here? No. Connected assets. See if there's any connected assets. So you could connect Instagram, ads account, Pixel, etc. Let's go to assign partner. So you can use their business ID if they already have a Meta Business account, or get them a link to share, and then they might need to create their own account. So this will give them, if you check this box here, you can give them access to the content, community page, messages, ads, insights, leads, content, messages, community, everything except sensitive actions, okay? Copy this, send that to them. They've got to sign into their Facebook page. So they would go over here, and they would have to claim the access. They'd have to log in, create a Meta Business Suite, access it that way, and then make sure they have access to all the things that you sent them within that invite. So very convoluted, very annoying. This kind of sucks. Let me know if you have any questions. I hate the process. If you sell the entire business, you'd have to do it at the business level here. Instead of the location page, it would have to be the main page. So just a really annoying process. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment below how much you hate Facebook. If you need help with marketing, advertising, SEO, etc., give us a call. My name's Mac with Momentum Digital. You can check us out here or just search us online, Momentum Digital. Tons of great case studies, reviews, customers. So thanks. Good luck. Talk to you soon.